Hello, it's David. Today we're going to be looking at a few aloe plants that are in bloom right now. They are here in the sunbed, and I planted them late last winter. They didn't really have any roots when I planted them, and soon after being transplanted, these aloes went into a stressed state. Some aloes turn a nice color when stressed, but these turned a not so nice brown color. It's now October and they have settled in and the leaves are looking much greener, and all three plants have decided to flower. They even look to be sending up multiple bloom spikes, which is nice. I did attempt to cross-pollinate this aloe with another aloe that I had blooming recently. The other aloe was a cultivar named White Fox, which is an even smaller aloe with white leaves. There were only a few blooms left on the plant when these started to bloom. So I used the pollen from the White Fox to attempt to pollinate some of these flowers. I am seeing some swelling where I pollinated the flowers, but I am still not certain if the pollination was actually successful. We will all just have to stay tuned for when I collect these seeds and try to sprout them. I'll keep a close eye on these seed pods, waiting for them to ripen. So let's talk about what type of aloe this is. They were sold to me with the name Aloe Albiflora. A quick Latin lesson: alba or albi means white, while flora means flower, so albiflora is the white-flowered aloe. These don't look like white flowers to me. When I first saw these flowers, my first thought was maybe these plants are just a selection of albiflora. Because of what I did know about the albiflora, these leaves did seem to match. But I was doing some research last night, and I think I found what this plant actually is. I believe these to be Aloe bellatula. Bellatula from Latin meaning lovely and small or neat. When I was reading descriptions of Aloe bellatula, some of them said things like, similar to Aloe albiflora and leaves only. And when I look at pictures of the flower of Aloe bellatula, they seem to match the flowers of these plants. So I'm pretty confident that these are not Aloe albiflora and they are in fact Aloe bellatula. Has this ever happened to you where you thought you had one plant and as it gets older you find out it's actually something else? I know that's happened to me before. I think sometimes it's hard for growers to get the names 100% accurate because plants are often reclassified, and many are like these where they look very similar to another plant, but you can't tell the difference when they're not in flower. And once something gets mislabeled, it's often mislabeled again and again. I'm glad I was able to use the power of the internet to determine what these plants are, especially since I may have hybrids of this plant in the future, so knowing the correct parentage would be nice. And that's going to be it for this video. I hope you're having a cactastic week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!